Welcome to Academic Black and Conscious. My name is Mr. Brown, and today's video lesson will be on basic addition. I will begin with two single-digit numbers, move into double-digit numbers, into triple-digit numbers, okay? And I will probably give a few examples of numbers a little larger than that so that I can also show placement of numbers. All right, we begin with something very simple. Two single-digit numbers resulting in a single-digit answer, also known as the sum. Here we have 1 plus 1 equals 2. It can be written in two different forms. Okay. On the top, we have it in horizontally, 1 plus 1 equals 2. And here we have it vertically, 1 plus 1, with a line drawn and using the addition symbol and giving your answer or your sum known as 2. Okay? Very simple concept. If you were to do this with lines, it would be one line, okay? Or let's say, okay, one line, I have two lines. That's two lines. If it was circles, one circle and one circle equals two circles. Okay? So it's a very simple concept. Let's move on to double-digit numbers. I'm using small numbers just to make the example. We're going to start with 22 and 22. We're going to add these two double-digit numbers. This is one number, 22, and this is one number, 22. This is your ones place, this is your tens place. Okay? And when you really think about it, 10 and 10 is 20, and then two more would be 22. In the tens place, you will write 10 just like that. Think of that 1 and 1 inside there plus another 2, that makes 22. Okay, moving on. When adding two double-digit numbers, you always will start on the right-hand side. 2 plus 2 is 4. There's nothing to carry over. 2 plus 2 is 4, and your answer or sum is 44. Okay? Simple enough concept. Start on the right-hand side and move left. In this particular example, there's nothing else to add when you move from the right to carry over to the left column. Okay? Differently would be this number. Adding 77 and 77. Also a two-digit number and a two-digit number. The difference is, in the first column on the right-hand side, where you always begin, it will result in that first addition, it will result in a two-digit answer. You will have to write that answer just as it is written on paper with the right-hand number below the column and carrying over that left-hand number to the left column and adding it into that addition there. As you see, 7 plus 7 is 14. Writing 14 as it is written, the 4 is on the right-hand side. You write the 4 below the line, and you carry the 1 over to the next column. Add 7 plus 7, that's 14, and you add the 1 from the previous column, results in 15, and you write that below the line. The answer is 154. Ones column, tens column, hundreds column, also known as the sum, just as in this one. Just that this answer resulted in a three-digit answer. Okay? Bigger number. The bigger your number, the bigger the numbers that you are adding, the bigger your sum will be. Okay? We will move on. We're going to do a three-digit addition problem. Okay? Let's add 555, okay, plus 555. We draw a line, addition symbol, okay? Always beginning on the right-hand side. 5 plus 5 is 10. Writing it just as you would on a piece of paper, the right-hand number below the line, carry it over the left-hand number to the top of the left column so that you can add it into that column. Once again, 5 plus 5 is 10, but now you have the additional 1 from the previous column. 10 and 1 is 11. Writing 1, the number on the right-hand side, and carrying the number on the left-hand side, which happens to be a 1 also, to the third column. 5 plus 5 is 10. Adding 1 again to it also results in 11. Bring that number below the line. And now you have your resulting sum. When you have more than 3 numbers in your sum, you place a comma after the third number, beginning from the right side, moving left. 1, 2, 3, place my comma. 1,110 is the final sum when adding these two 3-digit numbers together. Ones column, tens column, 10, hundreds column, 110, and your thousands column, 1,110. There's nothing in the ones column to count. If it was 1,115, then there would be something in the ones column. There would be a 10 here and then 5 ones. But that's not the case. This is your answer, also known as the sum. And here, regardless of how big your number gets in addition, it's always going to be referred to as the sum. Okay? So, just for reference, I didn't know if I wanted to move on to a bigger number, but I will. The video, I don't want it to be super long. I don't know how long it is right now. We're at 7 minutes, so I don't want to go past more than 10 minutes. Okay? We're going to add a 4-digit number to a 4-digit number. Okay? We'll use 3,333. Plus 3,333. Okay? Addition symbol. Let's begin on the right-hand side. 3 plus 3 is 6. There's nothing to carry over. 3 plus 3 is 6. Nothing to carry over. 3 plus 3 is 6. 3 plus 3 is 6. More than 3 numbers. Count from the right-hand side. Place a comma. 1, 2, 3, comma. 6,600, tens place, 6 times 10 is 6, 60, 6. There's 6 in the ones place. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. Okay? Think about the number. 6,000 in the thousand place, 6,000. 6 times 1,000 is 6,000. 600, 6 times 100 is 600. The 6 that's in a 10 place. 6 times 10 is 60. 6 in the ones place. 6 times 1 is 6. And there you have your sum once again, even though you're adding a bigger number. But let's add a 4-digit number where we're carrying over. So let's move on up to, let's do 7. Again, let's use 8 as a matter of fact. We're going to use 8. 880, 8,888 plus 8,888. 8 through our line, addition symbol. Okay? I hope everyone can see this. We want to begin on the right-hand side. 8 plus 8 is 16. Write the number that's on the right-hand side, just as you would on paper. 16 is written, and then 6 is on the right-hand side. 1 is on the left-hand side. Carry a 1 over. 8 plus 8 is 16. The 1 from the previous column makes it 17. Write your 7, carry your 1. 8 plus 8 is 16. Plus 1 from the previous column, 17. Write your 7, carry your 1. Last column, 8 plus 8 is 16. Plus your 1 is 17. Now we're in a bigger number. More than 3 numbers, count 3, place a comma. 1, 2, 3, place my comma. I have 2 more columns. This number is 17,776. This is the tens thousand column. So we begin on ones column, tens column, hundreds column, the thousands column and the 10,000s column. Okay? As the numbers that you are adding get bigger, your answer, or also known as the sum, gets bigger or greater also. Okay? This is your basic video on addition. This has been Academic Black and Conscious. My name is Mr. Brown. I hope this video is helpful for you. I would appreciate any comments that you would give me in improving my teaching technique, or if I have left out any information that could be helpful to anyone viewing my videos for lessons in mathematics. Okay? Thank you so much.